Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Our first unboxing after the tariffs. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a big package consolidated from buy and ship. Okay, we have two packages here. One is for the latest Heroclix set, Smash and Destroy, and the other one is I can't recall. I have a feeling it's for the the Oxit brick break that I usually join in. Okay, so it's been a while since we unboxed something or a consolidation of something, so I'm very much excited. We have here the smaller one, which is most likely the Oxit, and the bigger one, which is most likely the brick. Okay, so let's open the brick, as there's not much surprise there. Let's just check whether all the items are here. Okay, so we have, there you go, the first brick in the Philippines of Smash and Destroy. Okay, Smash and Destroy. Okay, and ooh, I can see quite a surprise. We have here some comics. Okay, so thank you very much for the free comics. We have Green Lantern, Knights of Terror, another one, Venomverse Reborn, Venomverse Reborn. Okay, a lot of Venom. Okay, bada bing bam Venom. Okay, thank you for that. We'll probably sell that because we're not a huge comics fan. And we have here our other package containing some boosters, I would imagine. Okay. I really am unlucky with the Spider-Verse brick break. Okay, so I've been pulling very poorly. So we have here the boosters, and let's see what we have here. Nothing, it's just pieces of papers. Okay, and let's see what we got for this particular brick break. We have this Spider-Man 2099 rare. Okay, did we have any one shots? Let's see. Nope. Oh, it's a Spider-Man pack. Okay, can you imagine? And the next one is, okay, a rare Morlun. That's our third or fourth one. So I already have one. I was able to sold one, and one was given to as a tournament prize, but now we have another one. So again, I'm not so lucky with the Spider-Verse pulls, but it's okay. We are reserving our luck, possibly in the X-Men set coming up late this year. So that's it. What do you guys think? Are you excited for Smash and Destroy? This is probably gonna be a brick break. Bye!